Good morning,
Good morning, sir.
dear children. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Very fine, thank you. Now today we are going to do small experiment.
Sir.
So as you know well, stomata means opening. Where do you observe? You observe on the leaf. What is it?
Leaf.
Leaf. So stomata can be observed on the upper surface of the leaf and the lower surface of the leaf. Okay, but if you compare to the upper, on the lower surface of the leaf only, stomata will be more. Why? To prevent the transpiration. To prevent the transpiration. Okay, and to prevent the leaf from sunlight damage. Sunlight damage. Are you following better?
Yes, sir.
Now we learnt that stomata performs so many actions. Okay, one of the action will be stomata actually will be helpful in exchange of gas. Exchange of
Gas.
means entry of oxygen, and exit of carbon dioxide. Exit of
Carbon dioxide.
so this is called exchange of gas. This is called
Exchange of gas.
exchange of
Yes.
gases. And also, so this stomata also will be helpful in transpiration also. Okay. Now stomata will be controlled by the guard cells. What is that?
God says.
So guard cells will regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Okay, Rebecca? Now let us see. Okay, let us see the stomata in the leaf. Okay. Now for this experiment, okay, we have chosen the betel leaf. What is that, beta?
Leaf.
In Telugu, Tamalapaku. In Telugu,
Tamalapaku.
Tamalapaku. Okay. Now how can we observe the actually stomata in the betel leaf or any leaf, beta? By first of all getting the epidermal layer.
Layer.
Now in order to see the stomata, first of all what we have to do, look at carefully. Now we have to tear the betel leaf. Okay, we have to tear the betel leaf at a time. Okay, at a time. So any one of you, Durga, can you tear? So we got a little layer. Okay, why did you try like this? We need this kind of little layer. Okay, now let us see. You try. Please try, all of you. One. Just to keep it one. So we got here. So at a time we have to stretch. Not like this, See here, like this. Like this. Okay. Now you cut it. Where is scissor? Where is slide? Give me one slide. Okay. Now first of all we have to so gently slowly. Okay. Now 1 minute. First of all, we have to keep in normal water. Okay. Then we have to keep in saffron for some amount of time. Saffron. Where is this? Where is this? No. Oh. Then we have to keep it again in water for some time. Then get this slide. Another slide. This slide. Yeah. Now slowly, Durga. Yeah. Slowly keep on the slide. Place it horizontally. Spread it. With the help of needle, you can use the needle also. Slowly, otherwise it tears. Slowly, spread it. You take the help of. Like. Okay, and put 1-2 drops of glycerin. 1-2 drops only. Use only one drop. Now, cover strip. Where is cover strip? Cover strip. Yeah. And don't actually place immediately. You place like this. Where is needle? Yeah. You place like this. One, give me. So without air bubbles, you have to place. Okay? Now let us actually observe under the microscope. Please come, all of you. Now, Durga, now keep under the microscope. Amma. Now. Please. Use 40x for better magnification. Which is visible? Okay, is it clear? Now Durga, what are you observing? You are observing stomata cells. Okay, and stomata are guarded by the guard cells. Okay. Are they clear? Durga, are they clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please look at the specimen one by one. Okay, next. Yeah, Durga. Just later you see with the help of Alekia. 1 minute. You observe, make it fast. Okay. Then you observe with the help of Durga. Give it to Durga first. Just you for 1 minute. Durga. 1 minute. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give others. Give others. Yeah. Shiva, you observe. Okay, 1 minute. You very clear?
Yes.
Yeah.